Hi, this is Sangeetha, Assistant Professor EC Department SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to analyze a case study on medical image processing, that is different using AI, that is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, there are two classifiers used. One is ML and another one is DL. Both are the subsets of AI. So how it is used, effectively used on medical image processing, which is very advantageous over this two. And here I am taking a model to analyze the medical image processing using using ML and DL. I am taking the problem diabetic retinopathy. So they developed a model using machine learning to predict one of the eye disease, diabetic retinopathy, using fundus image. So diabetic retinopathy is a potential serious eye condition, that is serious eye problem that results from a long-term diabetes, which causes the damage of the blood vessels in the retina, and it leads to severe visual impairment and even blindness. So it occurs due to the damage of blood vessels in the retina of the eye. So machine learning based retinal image analysis in screening and diagnosis process detect the disease in early stage and reduces the patient specific risk factors, because it should be analyzed, it should be treated in the early stage. It can be cured, otherwise some treatments can be used to slow down its progress, not for curation. So the ML algorithms can serve as a clinical decision support tools for doctors, and to quickly identify, to select the most suitable treatment approach for the patients. So how it can be done? So to develop a robust model that can automatically detect the sign of diabetic retinopathy from retinal images using ML and DL algorithms. So to analyze the comprehensive data set of retinal images and clinical attributes and associated data, we can select the algorithm. So to investigate and classify the sign of diabetic retinopathy, to differentiate between different stages of diabetic retinopathy from mild to severe, to compare the performance of the ML based system with the existing screening methods, and assesses its potential as a cost effective and scalable solution for the diabetic retinopathy. The scope of ML and DL is, so the hybrid classifiers are employed to enhance the image quality and extract relevant features that can be further utilized in the selection of classification of algorithm for accuracy, for getting accuracy, because hybrid classifier means ML DL algorithm, that is ML DL classifiers can combinedly worked on the images to enhance the image quality. So the ML and DL algorithms can be trained using large data sets of retinal images to identify the characteristic features with the different stages of diabetic retinopathy. So the algorithms can be used to develop personalized treatment plans for the patients. So the limitations of some other algorithms are used so far, like CNN algorithm. CNN is the mostly widely used algorithm in medical image analysis, and FNN, KNN algorithms, GAN algorithms with and GPU architecture. So these are the algorithms are used, but all these algorithms and all these techniques and methods are lagging in the early detection and accuracy. So the existing methods requires the large amount of data to achieve high accuracy, and this will lead to computational complexity. So containing high quality data for diabetic retinopathy is a time consuming and expensive process. So this can limit the performance of learning models in this domain. So here I have analyzed all this algorithms and ML algorithm, DL algorithm. After analyzing all this, I have proposed a model that can accurately predict diabetic retinopathy from fundus image. So the large data set has to be implemented to identify the specific characteristics and abnormalities in retinal images. So the ML classifier such as vector machine can be used for image extraction and segmentation, because using SVM algorithm, the high dimensional data can be processed, and even linear characteristics imaging can be processed. Once the SVM is trained for a model, it can be used for unlabeled data also. So SVM can be preferred for this operation, and combined DL and ML approach applied to analyze and automate the screening and diagnosis process to identify the severity of the disease. So implementing ML-DL models into clinical practice through integration into electronic health records. So electronic health record is a digitized versions of patient history, such as diagnosis, medications, and treatment plans. So all should be integrated with the EH record to facilitate early detection and diagnosis of a DR. So the conclusion is, so the conclusion of my problem is to use combined DL and ML classifiers to enhance the images taken from the retina of the eye, and SVM algorithm used for image extraction and segmentation, and combined DL ML approach applied to analyze and automate the screening and diagnosis process can cure the disease and can save the patient. Thank you.